One of the hardest parts about getting into solar panel cleaning is figuring out what equipment really matters. What type of filter system should I purchase? What brushes do I use? How long of a pole? Is there safety equipment that's involved? This kit was designed to eliminate all the guesswork. Everything that's on this table has been used in real-world situations on residential jobs, and we've created this kit to give you a professional, scalable setup. All right, let's get into the heart of the kit, and that is the Tucker H2 Pro 110 series. And we chose this because we wanted to make sure that you were going to have adequate flow when cleaning solar panels on multi-story roofs, multiple pole users. You can also use the Tucker Ropesys mini robot with this unit. Some of the features that are on this system: you have the 40-inch RO membrane, you have a 30-inch post-DI filter, and a 30-inch pre-carbon filter. Right here we have the DI saver, and what this allows you to do is, if the reverse osmosis is purifying the water under 50 ppm, we consider that pure enough for solar panel cleaning. So you can actually bypass the DI and run the reverse osmosis only, which is one less consumable, not having to worry about that DI. You will use the DI when it comes to window cleaning. You need to be under 10 ppm, or as the reverse osmosis gets older, then you'll have to compensate using some more of that DI in that chamber. You do have the booster pump, pressure regulator, and gauge to get that adjusted. We recommend being in between 100 and 120 psi for optimal pump life. Overall, this is going to be a great system as you scale up, whether you get into the commercial side or just stick to residential. I've been using this on the daily, and if I had a choice back then, I would have most certainly went with a system that has the pump and has longer maintenance intervals in between. This kit does come with a TDS meter, so I recommend checking your TDS regularly to maintain the RO membrane life and your pre-filters and resin as well. Next up is hoses. Tucker sent me everything on this table and the filter system to test out in the field, and you could tell I have sure tested it out in the field. But going back to what we got, you have the 150-foot hand carry reel, which comes with our 3/8 garden hose. You'll be able to plug this directly into the system. And then on top of that, you get our 100-foot of high flow hose kit. It's going to give you that extra boost when it comes to the flow that you need for some of these brushes back here. The 150 feet of 3/8 garden hose will comfortably get you around a residential project, followed by the 100 feet of pole hose that'll get you around the rooftops and to clean the solar systems. The kit will come standard with the Tucker Solar Boost 27-foot, but you also have the option to upgrade to the 40-foot pole. The 27 will get you around most residential homes with ease, but in my honest opinion, I prefer the 40 because not only will it help with some commercial projects, but it also covers those extreme layouts where you get 4 panels deep down below and you want to make sure that you're able to clean these panels safely. One thing I also recommend is using some of these sections to help you with the downward pressure you need when extending and cleaning some of these solar panels. So if you keep 4 or 5 of these bases out here, then that's going to help you with the brush when being extended. The primary solar brush that you'll receive in this kit will be the Alpha Solar 20. This comes with dual rinse bars, and the brush heads are interchangeable so that you can actually change them from one to the other. These are boar hairs bristles. We're actually going to include these in the kit as well. So depending on the soiling type or patterns that you see, you can switch between the different patterns of bristles. These are the honey badger bristles. You'll get the alpha white scrub pads and the boar's hair bristles as well. You also have the option to upgrade to the Solar 32. This is new for Tucker, and this is going to help you cover a lot more commercial projects and just coverage of the solar panels in general. Another great thing about the Alpha Solar series is that you get the metal base, and that's going to help especially on those extended longer runs with the downward pressure. In comparison to one of our plastic bases, you can really tell the difference. One of the ideas of this kit was being able to scale and add on services as you move down the line. What I've also included is our Tucker Alpha Badger XL, which is an 18-inch brush. It's the plastic base series. It has a rinse bar and 4 pencil jets. This is great for some light solar panel cleaning and also can be used for window cleaning and commercial window panes. Going back to adding different services such as window cleaning, I've always found that the nylon hybrid with the boar's hair in the inside is a great daily driver for maintenance, window cleaning, especially if it's a yearly contract that you're looking at. This we use all the time and is our go-to for window cleaning. One of the things that I find necessary on almost every brush head here is having a walnut scrubber pad. This goes onto the threaded adapter that gets sandwiched in between the gooseneck. And you twist this on, and what's nice to have this for is when you have bee pollen or some caked on debris that is just giving you a hard time, you can clean the solar panels or windows, flip it over, use this pad to get that extra debris off. We will be including our new XL scrubber pad in this kit. Here's where it gets good. When we created this kit, we weren't just thinking about the filter system or the equipment that you need to clean the solar panels. We wanted to think about the risks and the hazards that are involved and prevent you from experiencing those as much as we can. With that in mind, we've got these two things. The first one is the Class 0 electrical gloves. We're gonna give you the choice between two different sizes. It comes with a set of the rubber gloves and a set of the gloves that you put on the outside to protect these from being torn. As soon as these have a tear, they are no longer rated. This is how you would slip these on when cleaning solar panels. And what I always like to say about anything safety related is it all depends on how many layers you can add to your safety arsenal. Having these gloves, having fall restraint kits, all of this helps you from experiencing any of these hazards or risks. And I'm actually really excited to implement this into our trucks and fleets is the residential fall protection kit. This backpack literally comes with everything you need to restrain yourself from falling when on a residential rooftop. It comes with the rope, it comes with anchor points, it comes with everything in this backpack that is nice and convenient to take with you at every job site. Last but certainly not least is we wanted to include 5 liters of the Chemitech Solar Wash Protect. Another great product that you can add on to your services, even if it's an optional line item. It's great because it has anti-static properties that help repel the dust and keep the panels clean longer. Don't worry, this will not take over your own cleaning services. This is just to help in between and help the customer feel at ease that they're getting more value out of paying for your service. At the end of the day, this kit was designed to give people a professional starting point while cleaning solar panels, to keep you safe, to keep you cleaning efficiently, and doing everything the right way from the beginning. I really wanted to make sure that we were going to cover all bases and it was stuff that you would actually use in the field, not just getting a shiny piece of equipment and calling it a day, but really thinking about everything from A to Z when coming up with this system. I'm truly grateful that Tucker has given me the opportunity to partner with them and create something that's going to be a staple in this community and really advocate for safety as we're cleaning solar panels. If you'd like any more information on this kit or want to purchase it, you can visit our website at www.tuckerusa.com, or you can reach out to me personally and I'll answer anything that I can. Peace out and have a good one.